Good morning to one and all. I am T. Santosh of class 9th from Akash High School, Nalgonda, Annaparthi. Now I am in front of you to talk about ISRO. ISRO was the Indian Space Research Organization which was established in the year of 1969 by Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai in the place of Ingosphere. There are 92 successful missions and Rocket Man of India was Dr. K. Shivan and Missile Man of India was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota was famous Space Center and Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in Thiruvananthapuram is the largest space center, and ISRO has many successful works such as Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan 1 was launched on 22nd October 2008. It was maybe some problems but Chandrayaan 2 was failed. So many scientists became sad and finally Chandrayaan 3 was successfully launched on 22nd August 2023 and it has successfully worked, and the first Indian satellite Aryabhatta was launched in the year of 1975 April 19 and the second satellite Bhaskara satellite was launched on the 1979 7th June. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.